Welcome to the Presidential Claim Record. This opening slide reflects a percentage-based breakdown of direct quotes from President Donald J. Trump, reviewed from April 1st, 2026 through April 22nd, 2026, classified across 4 categories: false, unsupported, misleading, and supported. Now let's move to the scorecard. The left side of the scorecard reflects cumulative results from April 1st, 2026 through April 21st, 2026, broken down by category. We now turn to the results from April 22nd, 2026. As for false, 1 claim was identified. On April 22nd, 2026, at 9:41 a.m. on Truth Social regarding the Supreme Court, President Trump stated, "They always vote as a group or block." This claim is false. Based on a review of 117 Supreme Court cases from 2023 through 2024, in which all 9 justices participated, 51 cases, or 43.6%, were decided unanimously and were therefore excluded from block comparison. Of the remaining 66 non-unanimous cases, Justices Sotomayor, Kagan, and Jackson voted together in 72.7% of those rulings, meaning they did not vote together in 27.3% of them. That directly contradicts the claim that they always vote as a group. This analysis is based on publicly available case-level voting data from the Supreme Court database, a widely used academic dataset that provides a complete record of how each justice voted in every case. Viewers can independently access this data by downloading the Justice-Centered dataset and reviewing the voting records for each case during this period. By comparison, all 5 conservative justices voted together in 33.3% of those same 66 cases, while the most closely aligned conservative pair, Justices Clarence Thomas and Samuel Alito, agreed in 57 of the 66 cases, or 86.4% of the time. As for unsupported, 3 claims were identified. On April 22nd, 2026, at 1:34 p.m. on Truth Social, regarding an election in Virginia, President Trump stated that a rigged election took place, citing a mail-in ballot drop and claiming that Democrats secured a crooked victory. This claim is unsupported. There is no verified evidence from election officials, certified results, or credible reporting indicating that the election outcome was manipulated or rigged. At the time of this review, no substantiated findings, audits, or official determinations have confirmed the presence of fraud affecting the outcome. Election results are subject to established canvassing and certification processes, and no evidence has been presented demonstrating that the result was altered by unlawful activity. On April 22nd, 2026, at 1:34 p.m. on Truth Social, regarding that same election in Virginia, President Trump stated that there was a massive mail-in ballot drop late in the process. This claim is unsupported. There is no verified evidence from election officials, certified reporting, or audit findings confirming the occurrence of a large-scale or irregular mail-in ballot drop as described. Public election processes include the counting of mail-in ballots according to established procedures, and no substantiated evidence has been presented indicating an abnormal or improper ballot influx affecting the outcome. On April 22, 2026, on Truth Social, regarding Iran, President Trump stated that 8 women protesters would no longer be executed, that 4 would be released immediately, and that Iran respected his request to halt the planned executions. This claim is unsupported. There is no independently verified evidence from Iranian authorities, international organizations, or credible reporting confirming that such executions were scheduled, halted, or influenced by this request. Iranian officials publicly denied the claim, stating that no executions had been planned and describing the statement as fabricated or based on misinformation. Additionally, no substantiated evidence has confirmed that any direct negotiations occurred as described. As for misleading, 2 claims were identified. On April 22, 2026, at 9:41 a.m. on Truth Social, regarding the Supreme Court, President Trump stated, "They give the Democrats win after win." This claim is misleading. The statement suggests a consistent pattern of partisan outcomes in favor of Democrats, but does not define a measurable standard or time frame. A review of Supreme Court voting data from 2023 through 2024 shows that justices do not vote in uniform partisan blocks, and cross-alignment between justices occurs across multiple cases. While individual rulings may align with positions associated with one political party, the overall voting record does not support the characterization of a consistent or sustained pattern of outcomes favoring Democrats. On April 22, 2026, at 9:41 a.m. on Truth Social, regarding tariffs and a Supreme Court decision, President Trump referenced a $159 billion financial impact tied to tariff refunds. This claim is misleading. While tariff-related legal disputes and financial impacts do exist, there is no clearly verified or widely supported evidence confirming a specific figure of $159 billion in refunds. The statement presents a precise financial outcome without context, sourcing, or substantiation, which may misrepresent the scale or certainty of the ruling's impact. As for supported, 0 claims were identified. This brings today's totals to 1 false, 3 unsupported, 2 misleading, and 0 supported. This updates the cumulative totals to false 32, unsupported 118, misleading 46, and supported 31. This review is based on direct quotes from President Donald J. Trump, sourced from Truth Social, other major social media platforms, press conferences, interviews, official White House releases, transcripts, and other public statements. This review excludes intermediaries, representatives, news outlet personalities, and second-hand interpretations. The words matter. The truth matters. The history matters.